Hello guys, how to fix if your iPhone is stuck on preparing update mode. If you try to update your iPhone and it is stuck on preparing update page, then here are the fixes. Try various updates to fix this issue. And the first workaround is check your network connection. Turn on airplane mode and wait for 10 to 15 minutes and again turn off airplane mode. It will helpful in establishing connection. And check whether your update error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, tap on settings of your iPhone and here scroll down and tap on general settings, and here scroll down and you will find the option transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it, again tap on reset option and choose reset network settings. Unlock your iPhone with passcode and again choose reset network settings. It will reset your network settings. If any network related issue, it will resolve them. The next workaround to fix this issue is again tap on settings of your iPhone and here scroll down and tap on general settings and here tap on iPhone storage and make sure that sufficient storage is available for downloading or updating any new apps and features. So if you feel sufficient storage is not available, then simply delete some unused apps and features which consuming more space on your iPhone. And check whether your iPhone is stuck on preparing update mode resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Force restart your iPhone. Press volume up button and power button conjointly until Apple logo appear on your screen, and after force restarting your iPhone, preparing update stuck mode is successfully resolved.